Why might there be a discrepancy sometimes between people's NBMEs and their real deal? What do I think could have happened in these circumstances? An important point for me to articulate right off the bat is that despite myths you might occasionally hear, or despite what you might read on, e.g., Reddit, which will be a minority of experiences that tend to operate in the extremes, the real USMLE is exactly the same as the NBMEs, and the NBME exams do not over or under predict your score. Okay? This is important. And people get very emotional about NBME results in relation to the real deal. It's understandable. But it's important you understand that when you sit the real deal, whatever you get on your score report, they will write on that score report that there's a plus or minus performance based on whichever actual USMLE you happen to sit. Okay, so you literally sitting in an adjacent cubicle or sitting the exam one day earlier or later and you get a different form, your score could be significantly higher or lower. That happens sometimes, okay? But when we talk about the NBMEs in relation to the real deal, recognize that the questions are exactly the same. They do not over or under predict. And whatever you score on the NBMEs would be your real USMLE score had those questions been the random allotment that you received on that testing day. Okay? So if you get a 257 and 259 on, let's say, NBME's 2829 within 2 weeks of your exam, and then you get a 232 on your real deal, and what could have happened, there's a possibility maybe you just overthought lots of questions and you happen to be in the minority of students who got unlucky, unfortunately, because your practice NBMEs did not lie. Okay? If we take a hypothetical bell curve, 18 out of 20 students will score right around the average of their latest NBMEs. Okay? Whereas maybe 1 out of 20 students will score significantly lower, 1 out of 20 students will score significantly higher. It tends to be those outliers you will read about on Reddit. Those stories will be amplified, and then it becomes your impression that those occurrences are more often or more prevalent than they actually are. Okay, so we could make this a long clip, but I want you to take home the point that despite popular myth, NBMEs do not over or under predict. Okay, they don't. And even when I sat the USMLEs a decade ago, at the time on Student Doctor Network, I remember for step 2, people used to talk about how NBME 7 was so difficult and NBMEs 4 and 6 were so easy. And I remember I did shitty on 4 and 6 and I did well on NBME 7, literally the opposite of what you read on the forums, okay? It just causes confusion, all right? And my real deal was actually close to the average of my NBMEs, all right? So once again, we could make this a very extended talking point, but you need to recognize that what you read online is often going to be an amplification of the minority of stories that function on extremities, okay? The real deal is the NBMEs. The scores are exactly the same. Okay, you know the deal. I'm going to continue making more content. If you like my stuff, subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate your time. That's it.